Hello auto buyers, it's me Alfred Mendoza and we are here at UP Diliman to feature the all-new 2018 Mazda CX-3 Activ. Alright, we are now inside the CX-3 and it's time to do our taste test. Well, the 2018 Mazda CX-3 Activ is the top-of-the-line variant of the CX-3 family. And this vehicle costs 1.5 million pesos. Its list price actually on the Activ variant that does not have a body kit is 1,480,000 pesos. Add 20,000 pesos and you have a beautiful body kit that goes along with the CX-3. Now, there really is a lot to like about this vehicle, and I think offhand what I like the most about it is its design. It's very unique in the sense that it looks like a very compact wagon. It's actually classified as a crossover or a mini SUV. What goes very well for it is the way that its curves complement the general shape of the vehicle. It's round, and its roundness isn't goofy looking. In fact, the roundness makes it it's kind of sexy. The CX-3 Activ is an all-wheel drive crossover, and being an all-wheel drive crossover, you will also feel a tremendous amount of control on the way you operate the vehicle. You will feel the car planted solidly on the ground when you're driving it. That's another added benefit. Aside from this car being loaded with G vectoring, all the tech to drive the car more comfortably and more efficiently. It's also all-wheel drive. So when it comes to maneuvering, controlling, and driving the car in a manner with which you will feel very, very secure, it all comes into play with this package. Now, what is there that is not to like about the Mazda CX-3? Well, others would say probably it's too small for that amount of money. I mean, it's such a small SUV. It feels like it doesn't stand as tall as a typical SUV. Now, of course, there is no one-size-fits-all vehicle out there. It really depends on what it is that you need or what it is that you want. Now, the CX-3 from 20 years, coming from a Mazda owner that has a Mazda that's already 20 years old, driving the latest, the most current Mazda product, and in this case the CX-3, I think they didn't deviate from that objective, that goal. The goal of producing a well-designed vehicle that's reliable, that's made well. From the leather stitching on the seats, to the sidings, to the mix of leather and suede and brushed aluminum finish on the door openers, all the way up to the design of the vents, the air conditioning vents that gives it a very retro vibe. And they were able to put a solution to mixing, rectangles and circles onto their dashboard and making it look well laid out and balanced. Nice shapes, nice stitching, nice feel on the upholstery, from the dashboard to the seats, to the ceiling, to the sidings. You're basically wrapped in good material for your car's interior. For 1.5 million pesos, apart from the body kit that makes it extra nice, it has power side view mirrors, it has a backup camera that's very accurate, It has Bluetooth connectivity, It has Navi built in also. It even has a DVD player. And standard accessories like the map reading lights up here. You have your compartment for your sunglasses, vanity mirrors, nice, well-proportioned alloy wheels. Right out of the box, it's ready to run. Right out of the box, this car is good to go. So, premium feel, premium ride, premium drive without breaking the bank. I think for a crossover or for a mini SUV, this is definitely a tough contender. I think if this is a car that you like and you want to purchase, it will give you what your money is worth. Okay, so that concludes another episode of the Autobuyers Philippines Taste Test. Thank you for watching the review on the 2018 Mazda CX-3 Activ. If there is a particular car that you'd want Autobuyers Philippines to review, please write on the comment section below. And remember, like our Facebook page, Autobuyers Philippines, follow us on Instagram, AutobuyersPH, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Autobuyers Philippines. Once again, this is Alfred Mendoza. Take care and God bless.